This is Meridith Powell, and this week I'm in Charleston, South Carolina. I'm about to hit the stage and talk about one of my favorite subjects, and that's succession planning. Now, I know every time I say succession planning, it is like I feel the energy just suck right out of the room. I mean, we think of these massive plans. We think of executives and C-suite professionals retiring. We need to find somebody to take their place. Well, if you haven't looked at succession planning in a long time, you need to pay attention because it has changed. What we're talking about is creating a culture of succession, creating an organization where talent is a priority and everybody, not just human resources, is passionate and engaged with not only attracting talent, but developing it and getting people in the position to take over their next role. A constant stream of growth of your talent and turning all of this great resignation into your greatest opportunity. If you haven't looked at succession planning in a while, then you need to pay attention. You need to redefine how you think about it, how you feel about it, how you act to it. And a great place to start, download a report that I just did on succession planning with the amazing Dr. Mary Kelly. Talks about the trends and the strategies that you need to put into place to not only build a culture of succession, but turn all of this uncertainty into a major competitive advantage.